the chapter's triangles for standard 7. Here in this figure we have to find the value of x. So it is given this angle is 120 and this angle DFC is 60 degrees. Now we have to find the value of x. So if you see, this two angles will form a linear pair. So angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Now in triangle ADE, now we have this angle and we have this angle. So we can find angle 2 is equal to, angle 2 will form the exterior angle. So 1 plus 30 is equal to angle 2. So we know 1 is 60. So angle 2 is equal to 1 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degrees. Now we have to find the value of x. Now again x will form an exterior angle, triangle, consider triangle CDF. These two, sum of these two will become is equal to x. So x is equal to angle 2 plus 60. So 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. Now if you see in this triangle, they have given the value of angle ABC as in the ratio. So it is 3:2:1. So whenever ratio is given, you have to take it as 3x, 2x and x. Now A, B, C that order. So 3x, B is 2x and angle C is x. Now we have to find the value of y, and it is also given AC is perpendicular to CE. That means this angle is 90. Whenever you see putting design like this, so you have to take it as it's perpendicular or it is 90 degrees. So that now x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. This angle sum property. So it is from that you will get 6x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 30 degrees. Now here all the angles, sum of all the angles on one side of the line is 180. So we can write it as x plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. We know the value of x is 30. So 30 plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. Here the figure it is given AB is parallel to CD. You have to find the value of x and y. And these angles are already given. 53, this is 53, this is 53. So these two lines are parallel. So these two angles will form one, and this angle, this is 53, it is ECD, will form corresponding angles. So you can write 1 equal to 53. Now you know the theorem, sum of angles around a point is 360. So you can say angle 1 is equal to 360 minus 1, that is equal to 360 minus 53 equal to 307. Now we have to find the value of x. So again, angle, to find this, these two are angle 2 and angle x are corresponding angles because these two are parallel lines. So if we can find angle 2, then we can find the value of x. So now if you see that this triangle EDC, this will form the exterior angle. So 2 is equal to 53 plus 53 is equal to 106. So angle 2 is equal to 106. Therefore x is equal to 106. Now in this figure, you have to find the value of x here, y and z here. And these angles are given. This is 124 and this is 103. So from these two angles, you can say these are linear pairs. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 124 is 56. Now 1 and x, these form alternate interior angles because these two are parallel, that form the z. So 1 is equal to x, therefore it is equal to 56. Now angle 2 and 103 is equal to 180 because these again form linear pair. So from that, angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 103 equal to 77. So you have angle 2. Now 2 is equal to y because these form corresponding angles. So angle 2 is equal to y. So therefore y is equal to 77. Now you have to find z. Now z plus y, it will be equal to this will form exterior angle. So z plus y is equal to 124 exterior angle property. From that we have y. From that we can find the value of z. Z is equal to 124 minus 77 equal to 47. The student, when asked to measure two exterior angles of triangle ABC, observed that the exterior angles at A and B are 103 and 74 respectively. Is this possible? Justify. So this triangle ABC, this is one exterior angle and this is one exterior angle. So these two will form linear pair. Again these two will form a linear pair. You can find the value of 1 and 2. So 1 is equal to 180 minus 103 is 77. And angle 2 is 180 minus 74 is equal to 106. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 183 already. No, but we know the angle sum property is angle A plus B plus C together is equal to 180, exactly 180. It can be neither more or less. Here but 1 plus 2 itself is greater than 180. So this triangle is not possible. So this exterior angle of 103 and 74 is not correct.